What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing and a review of the PlayStation Media Remote. Now you can get this at GameStop, which is where I got it from, for $25. Now it's compatible with PlayStation 4 and it's compatible with the PlayStation Vue. Let's take a look at the box real quick. Nothing major. Media remote. And on the back, let's read a little bit of it. It says, a PlayStation 4 media remote, perfect for the whole family. Bluetooth connection to PS4 system. Easily control compatible streaming media apps, Blu-ray and DVD. Sleek and compact design, advanced ergonomics, essential controls under one thumb. Alright. Now, let's open this up, see what it looks like. Nothing else in there. You get a manual. And you get the remote. Alright, so this is what it looked like. You got a share button right here. You got an options button right here. You got the PlayStation button right here. You got the triangle, circle, X, square, L1, R1, L2, R2. You got a rewind, play, fast forward. You got a skip scene, pause, and a previous scene. Alright. Now, take the back of the remote control off. Pop it off like that. And it requires 2 AAA batteries. Not included. So let me go grab 2 AAAs and then we can get this done. What you do is when you put the batteries in, you use your regular controller for a PS4. Make sure your PS4 is turned on, obviously. You go into settings, then you go into devices, and then you go into Bluetooth devices. See that LED flashing right there. Alright, there we go. So it says PDP Media Remote. So you use your regular PlayStation controller, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you click it. So when you click it, it should start pairing. It's where it pairs it to your PlayStation. It says, do you want to register this Bluetooth device? And just hit yes. And you see now it's up on the screen where it should be able to control the device. Alright, so now you see I'm using the controller to move on the PlayStation. Alright, so if you hit PlayStation button, that pops up. If you hit the share button, then you get your share options. If you hit the options button, well, you can't do nothing from there. So is there a back button? Circle's the back button. Alright, so control left and right, all that good stuff. Hit the options button, you get your options popping up. If you just want to go to the game, you can go to the game right here. Play the Rainbow Six. You know what I mean? Then you hit the PlayStation button. You can't do it now, but you can hold it in, take you to your other options. So this thing's pretty dope. This thing's pretty dope. I wonder if it works for YouTube. So, of course, I'll have to try it out real quick. See if it actually works for YouTube as well. So let me go down. Click YouTube. Suspend that. Oh, I forgot I got the HDCP off. Alright, so you can't use it right now because I got the HDCP off, which stops me from being able to like record movies or anything on the PlayStation or anything like that. But this seems like a dope thing to have. I like it. It's nice and small, you know what I mean? So it's not gonna really be something that's always in your way. So you laying down in the bed, you wanna watch a movie or something on Netflix, then you can just, you know what I mean, use this probably. If you wanna watch some YouTube videos, then use this. You wanna watch some of your gameplay that you recorded on your PlayStation, you can use that also, and whatnot. But this is a nice thing, this is a nice product, and I definitely would recommend it for anybody with the PlayStation 4. So go out and definitely grab you one of these if you're in the market. But it's D.O. aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is click the description. Go inside the description, click on every one of those links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.